Tonight, people in Mexico are working to recover from several back-to-back earthquakes that have shaken the country.
Yeah, part of that recovery begins on this side of the border at San Antonio's International Language Center, where volunteers are stepping up in a big way. Eyewitness News reporter Charlie Cooper has more.
Search and rescue crews work tirelessly, sifting through rubble to find trapped people and to pick up the pieces left behind by 3 earthquakes that have rocked Mexico in less than a month's time.
Yes, we have family there. They're okay, but everybody's helping.
From first responders to mere civilians, the country is coming together after watching it violently torn apart. Here in San Antonio, the International Language Center is offering relief as well, collecting donations to send to victims.
Not only Mexico City, but we're sending it to Puebla, Oaxaca, Chiapas, and Morelos.
They're gathering toiletries, non-perishables, toys, and even masks for emergency crews and volunteers assisting in search and rescue. Efforts Mexican President Enrique Peña Nieto says will continue until those trapped and alive are found.
It doesn't matter their nationality, the language they speak. A lot of people have been helping us, bringing a lot of things and sending their heart and love to the people in Mexico that need it.
Those interested in donating can do so here from Tuesday to Thursday from 8 to 8, and then the goods will be sent to Mexico on Friday. Reporting in San Antonio, Charlie Cooper, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.